What's up guys, it is NN FIFA iOS and today we're doing a 600k pack opening. Now right now 100k pack just came out and we're going to open 6 of them. I might do another pack opening later, but today we're only going to do 6, so yeah, let's kick start the show. Alright, 100 coins purchased there and wow, 78. Oh, that is unbelievable. That is atrocious. Oh my god. Wow. Alright, cool. I'm just gonna list really the gold contracts and stuff. I mean, there was no point. I think the only person that might sell is these two, right? Because they're the BPO. The rest, quick sell. Now let's go on to the second one. 100k purchase. I'm closing my eyes, guy. Not even looking right now. Alright, I think it's done. Alright, let's see what we get. Guessing it's terrible. Oh! Are these packs even? Oh my. These packs are so dead. Oh god. We got Marshall Push. We got Pochettino again. Guys, our trade list is currently full, so I'm gonna quickly obviously take out the things that are not needed there. Back, let's go on to the second 100k pack. Oh, hopefully we can get better now. Oh my god, this is. I feel I can't be asked now. I can't be asked no more. Like we're getting what I'm selling is basically contracts and that. I could have opened real contract pack. Oh my god, this is unbelievable. So I'm not sure, but let's try anyway. Right guys, fourth one. Yes, okay, that's I don't know why that's still not that good, but you might it's better than anything else we got right now. Navio, the Marcus might sell his right back, so he might sell. That's gonna sell. That's gonna sell, and so is that. Alright guys, second to last. Alright guys, closing my eyes again. Right, let's see what we've got. Wow. Contracts. Oh crap. I'm just gonna. Well, what I'm gonna do? Probably gonna quick sell these lot because they're not any good right now, and save the rest. I might see it later. Alright, last one guys. This has been a flop. This has been a flop. Alright guys, let's go find one. What I'm telling. Wow, we've got a free gold pack. That might be good. The rest pretty crap. I mean, I expect much from 100k packs. I just wasted 600k. Quick sell that and that. And alright guys, well that's really it. Hope you enjoyed this video. If you have, then obviously leave a like, subscribe. I might do another pack opening later on at some point. But right now, thanks for watching.